Get ready. Something big might finally be happening in the world of action cameras. For years, GoPro was the gold standard for adventurers, vloggers, and thrill seekers, known for its rugged design and stunning video quality. But lately, fans have been asking, where's the innovation? Recent models haven't delivered anything truly groundbreaking, and competitors have been catching up fast. Now, rumors are swirling that the upcoming GoPro Hero 14 Black might be the bold refresh we've all been waiting for. This could mark a major turning point for GoPro, bringing real hardware upgrades that users have wanted for years. If you've been holding off on buying a new action cam, this might be the one worth waiting for. Let's explore why the Hero 14 Black could be GoPro's most exciting release in a long time. Let's dive into what we know so far. First, let's talk timing. GoPro has followed a fairly predictable release schedule over the years, usually unveiling new cameras in September, and this year seems to be no exception. Multiple sources suggest that GoPro Hero 14 Black is set to launch around September 20th, 2025. What's got fans most excited? The long-awaited arrival of a larger 1-inch sensor. This has been one of the most requested upgrades from the GoPro community, and if it happens, it would mark a major shift. While past models have leaned heavily on software improvements, this jump in hardware could transform the camera's performance, especially in low-light conditions. The increased sensor size allows for more light intake, translating to sharper details, better contrast, and improved dynamic range. To put this in perspective, the DJI Osmo Action 5 already boasts a bigger sensor than the current GoPro lineup. If the Hero 14 Black matches, or even beats, that standard, GoPro could be back on top. Interestingly, it's not about higher resolution this time. Don't expect a jump beyond 5.3K recording. But that's not a downside, because what really matters is image quality, not just resolution. With the rumored sensor upgrade, users should see richer, cleaner footage even at the same resolution. Another long-requested change is the addition of a larger edge-to-edge display. This upgrade could give users more screen real estate while maintaining that signature GoPro durability. The screen is expected to have reinforced bumpers, keeping the camera rugged while offering a more immersive preview experience. There's also talk of an improved control layout. Dedicated physical buttons for quick mode switching and recording could finally become a reality. In action-packed moments, these little details make a big difference. And let's not ignore one of the most annoying problems GoPro users have faced: overheating. Extended shooting sessions, especially at high resolutions, have been a struggle. But that could soon change with the rumored inclusion of a new processor, possibly the GP3. If true, we're looking at a chip designed for better performance and greater thermal efficiency. Even more exciting, there's speculation about a built-in heat sink, which would go a long way toward keeping temperatures in check. Battery life is another area where users are hoping for more. If the new chip does its job efficiently, we might see meaningful battery improvements. And while nothing's confirmed, it would be smart for GoPro to also introduce higher capacity battery options for long shoots and remote adventures. Despite a few years of underwhelming updates, GoPro has always held a place near the top of the action camera game. But with strong challengers like DJI gaining ground, this is GoPro's chance to remind everyone why it's still a major player. If the Hero 14 Black delivers on these rumored upgrades, it could very well be the comeback moment fans have been waiting for. So, could the GoPro Hero 14 Black really be the turning point the brand needs? With exciting rumors like a larger sensor, edge-to-edge display, better heat handling, and smarter controls, this might be the moment GoPro reclaims its crown in the action camera world. After years of incremental updates, fans are eager for a big leap. And if the Hero 14 delivers, it could silence the critics and excite creators once again. Whether you're into extreme sports, daily vlogging, or just capturing your travels, this could be the GoPro we've all been waiting for. What do you think? Will it outshine the competition like DJI? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned with Factic for more updates on the latest in tech and gear.